friends, welcome to our student support program for grade 7. Today, you will learn how to determine the equation of lines parallel to the x and the y axes, how to draw lines in the form x is equal to h and y is equal to k, where h and k are constants, and find point of intersection between horizontal and vertical lines. So let's begin. Now here is an activity. Plot the following coordinates on the same graph. A is 1, 0, B 4, 0, C minus 2, 0, D minus 5, 0. What do you observe? All points on the x-axis have their y-coordinate 0. They are in the form x, 0. Now let's join the points. What do you observe? We observe that when we join points having the same x-coordinate, we obtain a horizontal line. It comes from the word horizon, where the sea meets the sky, in the sense that horizontal lines are parallel to the horizon. Now, if we write down the equation of the x-axis, we are going to get y is equal to 0. The next activity, plot the following coordinates on the same graph. P 0, 2, Q 0, 5, R 0, minus 3, S 0, minus 5. What do you observe? All points lie on the y-axis. They have their x-coordinate 0. That is, they are in the form 0y. Now let's join the points. What do you observe? We observe that when we join points having the same x-coordinate, we obtain a vertical line. A vertical line is perpendicular to the horizontal. And the equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. Equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. All the coordinates of every point on a straight line have a common relationship. This relationship can be expressed algebraically as an equation in terms of x and or y, which is called the equation of a line. An important topic of secondary algebra is the equation of a line. The equation of a line gives you information about the line. Let's start with lines parallel to the y-axis, that is, vertical lines. Consider this graph. Look at the line. This vertical line is parallel to the y-axis. Let's look for some coordinates of points on the line. We have 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 2. This point can be written in the table showing the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. You will notice that the x-coordinate is same throughout. As the x-coordinate is same throughout, that is 3, the equation of a line is x is equal to 3. We can label the line x is equal to 3 on the graph. In general, any vertical line which is parallel to the y-axis will pass through points having the same x-coordinate, that is, x is equal to h. We say that the line has equation x is equal to h. Let's have a look at example 1. Now this line is parallel to the y-axis and it has the same x-coordinate, that is, x is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of line is x is equal to 1. Next, this line also is a vertical line and is parallel to the y-axis. It has same x-coordinate 5. The equation of a line is x is equal to 5. Similarly for this one, the x-coordinate is -2. The equation of a line is x is equal to -2. One more example. It has the same x-coordinate -4. Therefore, the equation of a line is x is equal to -4. Now example 2. Write down the equation of a line which passes through the points 7 minus 5, 7 minus 2, 7, 0, 7, 1, 7, 5. Since the x-coordinate of all these points has the same value, that is 7, the equation of the straight line is x is equal to 7. Part B. -5 minus 5, -5 minus 3, -5, 0, -5, 1, -5, 9. Since the x-coordinate of all these points has the same value, that is -5, the equation of the straight line is x is equal to -5. Example 3. Write down the coordinates of 3 points on the y-axis. Remember that the equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0, that is, the x-coordinate is 0. Some coordinates of point now: 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, -10. Part B. X is equal to 6. The coordinates of 3 points on the line x is equal to 6 are 6, 2, 6, 7, 6, -9. Part C. X is equal to -1. The coordinates of 3 points are -1, -1, -1, 4, -1, 5. Now, let's have a look at lines parallel to the x-axis, that is, horizontal lines. Consider the graph. Look at the line. This horizontal line is parallel to the x-axis. Let's look for some coordinates on the line. -4, 4, 0, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4. These points can be written in the table showing the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. You will notice that they all have the same y-coordinate, that is 4. As the y-coordinate is same throughout, that is 4, the equation of the line is y is equal to 4. We can label the line on the graph y is equal to 4. In general, any horizontal line which is parallel to the x-axis will pass through points having the same y-coordinate, y is equal to k. We say that the line has equation y is equal to k. Let's have a look at example 1. Now, this line is parallel to the x-axis and it has the same y-coordinate, that is 5. The equation of the line is y is equal to 5. Next, the equation of the line will be y is equal to 3. Since it has the same y-coordinate 3 throughout. Next, we have the line y is equal to -1. One more, we have the line y is equal to -4. Example 2. Write down the equation of a line which passes through the following points: -7, 1, -3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1. Since the y-coordinate of all these points has the same value, that is 1, the equation of the straight line is y is equal to 1. Part B. -5, -6, -1, -6, 0, -6, 2, -6, 8, -6. The y-coordinate of these points has the same value, that is -6. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is y is equal to -6. Example 3. Write down the coordinates of 3 points on the x-axis. Remember that the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. The coordinates of 3 points are 0, 0, -7, 0, 3, 0. Part B, the line y is equal to 9. The coordinates of 3 points are 6, 9, 0, 9, -4, 9. Part C, y is equal to -10. The coordinates of 3 points are -1, -10, 0, -10, 10, -10. Now, here are some exercises for you to practice. Now we are going to find point of intersection of horizontal and vertical lines. Example 1. Draw x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5 on the same Cartesian plane. What do you observe? We are going to draw x is equal to 2, that is a vertical line. Y is equal to 5, the horizontal line. The point of intersection between a horizontal and a vertical line is the point where the two lines meet. The two lines intersect at the point P. The point P has x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 5. The coordinates of the point P are 2, 5. The point of intersection between the y-axis and the line y is equal to 5 is 0, 5, and we can label it as the point Q. Now, the point of intersection between the x-axis and the line x is equal to 2 is 2, 0. We can label it as the point R. Example 2. The point of intersection of a horizontal and a vertical line is minus 2, 6. Find the equations of these two straight lines. First, we are going to plot the point minus 2, 6, minus 2 as the x-coordinate and 6 as the y-coordinate. Then, we are going to draw a vertical line from the point to the x-axis. Now, this line has equation x is equal to minus 2. Next, we are going to draw a horizontal line that passes through the point. This equation of a line is y is equal to 6. So, the equations of the two straight lines are x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 6. Here are some exercises for you to practice. So friends, today you learned the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. The equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. Lines parallel to the y-axis have equation of the form x is equal to h and are vertical lines. Lines parallel to the x-axis have equation of the form y is equal to k and are horizontal lines. The vertical line x is equal to h intersects the horizontal line y is equal to k at the point hk. So friends, we have come to the end of our program. Hope you have enjoyed it. Till next time, it's goodbye.